takes a lot to put together a race weekend. All the moving parts need to be well oiled. It's all hands on deck. Everyone has a role to fill. Except for this guy. He's just driving a golf cart. I'm just gonna keep this on you while you tell your story. Don't mind it. No, keep going. This is good stuff.
No, I can't.
That is good stuff, man. Track prep, the timing system, scheduling, spectators, health and safety, permits, merchandise. It takes a team driven to a common goal to pull off a race weekend.
Us 10, staging lane 3.
Hold it with.
Area probably happens.
Track coming together?
Yep. It's all good. We got her packed. Leave the tarps on until it's showtime.
Yeah.
I knew you would know.
No, there's so much stuff to do in so little time. Even 3 days we've been out here and it's still last minute getting stuff done. Hoping that everything goes right.
And when it all goes right, buckle up. Racers line up to experience life on the edge, if only for a few fleeting moments. Wrench, fuel, throttle, repeat. The cycle continues just as it always has, just as it always will. For some, racing's a way of life. It's a chance to escape the day-to-day grind. Snowmobile Drag Racing Ontario gets it. They're your racing family, through the highs and lows. Drag racing, it's kind of funny sport when you think about it. Two people hanging onto a machine for dear life, chasing the finish line, chasing a thrill, trying to prove something, trying to be someone. For those that race though, it's more than just a silly sport. Race weekend brings everyone together for one common goal. The world needs people to come together, now more than ever. All the parts will keep moving, race after race, run after run, generation after generation.